Welcome to Windows Guide. If you wish to fix any Windows Update error on your system, then please watch this video. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the System tab in the left pane. In the right pane, scroll down to the Troubleshoot tab. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Wait for a few seconds and the troubleshooter will fix the error. The second solution is to reset Windows Update components. We have a script to reset Windows Update components. Copy this script. Make sure that you have copied every command. Now, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. This will open the elevated command prompt window. Paste the command list to the elevated command prompt window. That's it. The script will stop services related to Windows updates, delete the contents of the software distribution and catroot2 folders, re-register all related DLL files, reset WinSock, and then reactivate the services. Restart your computer and the problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? Please let us know in the comments section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.